Students, yesterday we have seen the intersection of two sets. The set of all common elements of both the set is called the intersection of two sets. Now today we are learning properties of intersection of sets. This is the first property. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. To learn this property, we take an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is the set in which 1, 3, 5, 6 these elements. Now A intersection B. Now collect the common elements from these two sets. Common elements are 1 and 3. Write down in the curly bracket. Now find out the B intersection A. That means common in B and A. The common elements of B and A are same elements 1 and 3. That means the intersection of A and B is equal to intersection of B and A. Now we'll learn about the second property. If A is subset of B, then A intersection B is equal to A. To learn this property, we take an example. A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements of set A. And in set B, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the elements. According to the given condition, A is subset of B. All the elements of set A are present in set B. That's why A is subset of B. Now write down the intersection of these two sets. A intersection B is equal to, collect the common elements from both the set and write down in the curly bracket. 3 is common, write down 3 here. 4 is common, 5 is common, 6 is common. That means all the elements of set A are coming in this set. That means this set is A. The meaning of this is A intersection B is equal to A. If A is subset of B, then their intersection is A. Same like this, another property. If B is subset of A, then A intersection B is equal to B. To learn this property, I have prepared the sets. A is equal to, in curly bracket, the elements I have written here, A, B, C, D, E. And in second set, B, B, C, E, these are the elements. Now I am writing the A intersection B. Intersection means the set of common elements from both the sets. Now I am collecting the common elements. B is common, C is common, E is common. I have written here in this way. Now check this. These are the elements. These are all the elements of set B. That means this set is equal to B. A intersection B is equal to B. What is the meaning of this? If B is subset of A, then their intersection is B. Now fourth property. Property is this. A intersection B is subset of A and A intersection B is subset of B. That means the intersection set is subset of both sets. To learn this property, I have prepared here the sets. A is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the elements of the set A. 8, 9, 11, 12. These are the elements of set B. Now write down the intersection of these two sets. A intersection B is equal to, collect the common elements from both. 8 is common, 9 is common. Now see this. This set, all the elements of A intersection B, these are present in A. That means 8 and 9 both are present in A. That's why this intersection set is a subset of A. Same like this, A intersection B is subset of B. This set is subset of this set. Both the elements are present in B. That's why this is subset of B. Now fifth property. A intersection A dash is equal to phi. What is the meaning of this? The given set and its complement set, the intersection of these two is the empty set. To learn this property, I have prepared this example. It is the universal set. To write the complement of any set, universal set should be there. This is the universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A is a set in which 1 and 2 these elements are there. Yes, A is subset of U. Yes, all the elements of A are present in U. That's why A is a subset of U. Now complement of this set. Complement of this set A, I am writing in this way, A dash. A dash. How to read? A dash equal to. Now how to write down this set? Collect the elements which are not in A but they are in U. Those elements are not present in A but they are present in U. Collect those elements and that is called complement of set A. Now 3, 4, 5, these elements are not present in A. Now collect them together and write down in this set, and this is A dash. Now intersection of these two. Now apply the definition of intersection of two set. Intersection means the set of common elements. Now observe these two sets. There is no element in the common. That means the set and its complement, the intersection of these two is an empty set. A intersection A dash is equal to empty set, that means phi. Sixth property is very easy. Any set A and intersection with itself, that means that set A intersection A is equal to A. It is not necessary to take the example of this. Easily we can understand any set, the intersection with itself is the same set. Now seventh property. A intersection phi is equal to phi. What is the meaning of this? Any set and an empty set, the intersection of these two is an empty set. To learn this property, I have prepared the sets. A is the set in which 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 these are elements, and B is a set, there is no element, that means it is empty, and that is phi. Now apply the definition of the intersection of set. Intersection of set means collect the common elements from these two, but there is no common element between A and B. That's why the intersection is phi. This is empty set. In place of this empty set, I am writing phi. And B is empty set. That's why I am writing here phi. What is the meaning of this? A intersection empty set is equal to empty set.